In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Clickfunnels 2.0 tracking codes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your Google Analytics tag and how to properly add it into Clickfunnels so your site data is tracked correctly. We'll start in Google Analytics. Open your Google Analytics account in your browser. If you haven't created a property yet specifically for your Clickfunnels site, that's the first thing you'll want to do. Look at the lower left-hand corner of the Google Analytics interface and click on the admin icon, which looks like a little gear. This opens the settings area for your account. At the top left of the admin section, you'll see a create button. Click that, then choose property from the drop-down. Google will guide you through a setup wizard. Here, you'll enter details for your Clickfunnels site, such as the property name, your time zone, and your currency. Follow the prompt step by step until the property for your Clickfunnels website is fully created. Once your property is set up, you'll be able to connect it to a data stream. In the admin area, find the section labeled Data Collection and Modification. Click that to expand it, and then select Data Streams. You should now see the data stream associated with your new Clickfunnels property. Click on that data stream, and a panel will slide open on the right-hand side. Inside that panel, look for the option that says View Tag Instructions and click it. Wait for the page to fully load. A new drawer will open, giving you different ways to install the Google tag. Choose the option labeled Install Manually. This will show you the global site tag code. Carefully select and copy the entire Google tag snippet. This is what you'll paste into Clickfunnels. Now, open a new tab and log into your Clickfunnels 2.0 account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical navigation panel. Look for the section called Site and Blog and click on it. This will expand and reveal more options underneath. From these options, select Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tracking Codes. This is where you'll paste any tracking scripts you want to run on your Clickfunnels site. Since we're adding Google Analytics, paste the Google tag you copied from Analytics into the head code field. This ensures the script loads in the head section of every page. You can also paste other tracking codes in this section, such as your Facebook pixel, TikTok pixel, or Google Tag Manager code following the same idea. After you've pasted your Google Analytics tag, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Update Site. This saves your changes and activates the tracking on your Clickfunnels pages. Once that's done, your Clickfunnels 2.0 site will start sending data back to Google Analytics, and you'll be able to monitor traffic, behavior, and conversions from your funnels.